Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2020 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 7048. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 1st 2021. It's a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,